and gentlemen, here I am. I love picking packed places at busy times at Canary Wharf. We're outside Smolensky's, and it's day 13 for me. Day 13 over here, Philippe. There you go, good boy. Day 13 for me of 22 to 22. So here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
There you go. It's day 13 of me of 22 to 22. Right, today I've got to say a special thank you, or a special congratulations to Hannah Dunn. Hannah Dunn, you beat the big C. We knew you'd do it. You had great determination all the way through. You love your training. So Hannah, you're going to be the one I'm going to nominate today. I know you're going to love it. Don't kill yourself. Don't go mad. You ain't got to pick no fresh places like this. No supermarkets, no shopping centres. You can do it in your own home. You do it over the park, wherever you like. Just do it in your own home and your own time, and just enjoy it. Hannah, well done, mate. And lovely people. See you tomorrow.